Нет, подожди.
Потому что такое как будто он у тебя не работает, и ты так очень смешно.
No, I'm trying to miskittle. Hi guys, my name is Julia, aka Don't Click, and today we are in another environmental place. Today we are actually at my kitchen. Not mine, but okay, you got it. Today I've tried to challenge myself and we're gonna be baking. I mean, I've always been baking with my mom and stuff, but we will try a recipe from a K-pop industry. And by K-pop industry, I mean something trendy and something very popular. And also by this, I mean we're gonna be baking FELIX'S famous brownies. So we already know that Felix is also called a brownie boy by Lino. Everyone are pretty much obsessed with these brownies. I've wondered how actually good are they, because my grandma makes incredible brownies, so yeah. Okay, we're gonna be starting off with the dry ingredients. Felix uses like 100 grams of all-purpose flour and 20 grams of the bread flour, but the thing is, in our country, we have like a lot of different kind of flour, especially for the bread. Because bread culture in our country, wait, what did I just say? Because the bread culture, okay, is pretty wide in our country, so I'm gonna be using just all-purpose flour. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Is it too much? It's 1.5. It's not 1/2. Yes. And just a little pinch of salt. We're gonna do it Felix's style, okay? We're gonna do it fancy. Let's get all together. So the baking powder is gonna be mixed well into the flour. If it's not gonna be if it's not gonna be mixed well into the flour, then in brownie you will see like little spots of white. It's not bad, you're not gonna die, okay? You can eat it, but it just says that you didn't mix baking powder very well. Okay, we're done with the bowl number 1, which is dry ingredients of flour and baking powder and salt, and we're gonna be moving to the wet ingredients. Okay, moving to the second bowl, which is not mostly, all of it is wet ingredient. I have melted the unsalted butter, 115 grams, 100 grams of brown sugar and 100 grams of white sugar. Put it into your melted butter. I'll be using a mixer, but you can also use like a whisk, whatever you have, whatever is convenient for you. It's not gonna melt in all together at once because we have a brown sugar, and brown sugar is pretty hard to melt. While it's melting, we're gonna add 30 grams of cocoa powder. To sift the cocoa powder into the butter and sugar mixture, okay? Like my favorite video blogger says, I'll make it rain. In my nose. 1. Perfect. And I need a napkin. And I think we can already add espresso to it. I'm not gonna open it like that. I will use scissors. I had a bar of chocolate and I just melted the half of it for me. I think I have chocolate lips. While it's just sitting aside, I'm gonna make other chunks of chocolate with the remaining chocolate I have. Oh my gosh. Oh! Okay, just a little bit of it. Now, if you thought that I forgot about the dry ingredients, no, I don't. I did not. I mean, I almost forgot, but I didn't, okay? Take our dry ingredients and put half of it into the mixture and blend it together, because we have to see if maybe a lot of flour is going to be too much. Because the mixture is already very thick, I will just fold it with the spatula. Okay, I think we can put a little bit more of the flour, or maybe all of it. I've already like spread it on the pan, come on, and you're telling me that it's thick? I hope that it's gonna turn out well, because you know, I don't really, at this kind of a point, I don't remember what consistency of brownies Felix had. Was it that thick or not? You're gonna put the brownies into the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Okay, just buffering. Keep your eyes on the brownies, okay? You don't want to burn them, okay? I hope they will turn out good. Oh. Okay, here are the brownies that we made. They look amazing. I was kinda afraid that they are going to turn out a little bit dry, but on the texture actually they are pretty much moist, pretty much chocolatey. Everything that remains to be done is the taste test. So, okay, let's dig in. They're still warm. It's rich. It's rich. It's very rich with chocolate. Actually, it's really good. It's really good. I know that Felix doesn't add any kind of nuts to his brownies. I know that he tried to, but then he wasn't. But actually, that gives quite of interesting crunchy texture to it that I like. And yeah, I like it. I will give it... Wait a second, I have to take another bite to understand. Also, it has very nice crunchy texture on the top. I will give it... Okay, you know what? It's 10 out of 10. It's proof that Felix's brownies are one of the best out there. I like it. I'm definitely gonna be making more. So that was it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I was enjoying making these brownies. It was filled with a lot of funny moments. This is the proof that Felix's brownies are really, really good. So you should try to make them at home. And just comment down below if you already tried. Did you like them? Are they as good as you thought? And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more interesting videos from me. I'm gonna be making a lot of reaction videos at K-pop music videos mostly, yes, and some side videos, something like this, you know, just entertaining, just relaxing and stuff like that. And also don't forget to check out my social media, which is Instagram and TikTok at donutclick. This is it. Yes, this is it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.